Quick before this video starts, I just want to thank you all. We just hit 6 subscribers, and I'm so happy for all your support. And I love you all, and enjoy the video. Hello, everybody. Today I'm just gonna do a little house tour, play a little Bloxburg, and yeah, that's about it. So how about we just start? This house was made by me, but the outside was made by Gamer. It's just one of my best friends by Gamer Girl. She is one of my best friends, so shout out to her. I made the inside, by the way. Oh, and she did this room. So, we're gonna start out with the hall. It's a nice little hall. You got a little, like, something here, something there, a little decoration. I was thinking about putting a door somewhere here so you can get to the kitchen faster. Um, this is the living room. This is where you can sit, watch out of the window, and sit here and relax, turn on the TV, watch the cooking show and stuff. And read a book. That's what I was do. I read a book and then like this. That's a picture with me and my friend. I almost got banned for making those pictures. And this is with another friend of mine. These are some alien pictures. This is like a leaf picture. Let me just get rid of this. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Oh wait, I didn't even show you this room. Um, this is the guest room. Okay, it's pretty annoying that sound. Okay, this is the guest room. This is where the guests sleep. This is a little computer where they can just sit down, relax, watch a little YouTube stuff. I don't know. This is nice. Got an alien over here. I already showed you that. This room is just the hallway. This is the bathroom, downstairs bathroom. It's not that much. Oh, shiza. You can just brush your teeth. You can just take a poop. You can wash here. You can shower. This is a pretty easy thing to do. It's pretty fun. And this is the kitchen. Pretty proud of it. Hope. This is another picture with my friend. Mm, I got some things here, got some things there. Little kitchen. This is the dining area. That's where I eat. And I was thinking about putting the door like right over here or something. I'll see where it comes out. I could show you the upstairs now. My house is not fully done yet, so just warning. I have 2 more rooms left. This is the upstairs bathroom. It's pretty big. Kind of too big actually, but I don't mind. Might put a picture here, put a plant, make it cozier. I like cozy things. Take a poop again. It's the same shower and stuff. Can brush your teeth. Stuff. And now this is the kids' room. This is where the kids sleep, obviously. Also my mommy. Okay, so this is it actually. I'll show you from the high ground. Like this is lag. This is it from when you look at like this. I can take the roof off. I think I'll just like make a door here or something. I don't know. Like, I actually don't know. I think I'll just like, I don't know, like, yeah, I really know. I'll try fixing it. But this is the downstairs, upstairs. So that's about signature. So it's not done yet. Like, let's just go work for a little bit. And just close all these doors real quick. I didn't make my intro today. Because I think it doesn't really make my videos better. Oh wait, I actually did teleport to house. My house value is like, I don't know. You can read it by yourself. No, I'm not gonna read it out loudly because I'm too lazy for that. Oh, I don't work as today. It was just an accident. We'll just like work for a little bit. Well, no, I don't know. Like I probably like. Yeah, I don't really know. I'll just cut it out. Wait. No, I'll just cut the working part out. And then when I'm done working, we could like maybe like build a little bit of our house. So I'll see you when I'm done working. No guys, quick edit. I didn't really feel like working. So I'll make a video about finishing my house. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.